Right guys, good day and welcome to my channel once again. In this video we're going to basically discuss two airdrops today. Number one is Interlink Airdrop and the second airdrop is Swapfone airdrop, such as their scamming alert. All you need to do is to watch the video to the end, and if it's the first time coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. As you can see right here, this is my Interlink Airdrop and everything is currently going on smoothly. What we are going to basically discuss today is number one, a listing update of the airdrop, the latest announcement, as well as the eligibility criteria. All you need to do is to watch the video to the end, and it's the first time coming to my channel, consider subscribing for more videos. So guys, with no doubt, this airdrop was launched on 30th March 2024, okay, which is about 6 months ago. And since that 6 months, about 3 million users have joined this particular platform, and that is a big milestone, right? The question everyone is asking now is TGA, because following the news released by them, they have a lot of roadmaps to cover, and as of the moment, they have started covering most of them. Okay, what we're going to look at now is their tokenomics as well as their roadmaps. From there, we'll decide when the listing of the airdrop is going to take place. Guys, if we come over to tokenomics distribution, with no doubt, what we are mining on Interlink is ITL and ITLG. But the particular one that we are going to allocate on TGE and listing date is ITLG, right? Okay, they are part of dual model. Some sources claim total supply allocation to miners in set types. Everything are already available. Okay, so we come over to the roadmap. This airdrop, just like other projects, have their roadmap, and unless the roadmap is completed, there is no way they will list. Okay, the project aims to build a human-centric blockchain identity network with proof of personhood using biometrics etc. As you can see there, this airdrop, you can put your biometric and so on. Ambitious target: verifying 1 billion real human users as a long-term goal. Okay, so with no doubt, according to some sources, the airdrop is going to be listing by Q4 or towards early 2026. Okay, as you can see right here, the airdrop is expected to list, okay, by late 2025, which is ending of the year, or towards early 2026. Okay, and with no doubt, we are already on October. If the airdrop is going to be listing by this year, probably we're expecting it to take place by early next month or around December. And around that December, we're expecting almost all the projects will be mining at the moment to come to an end. You understand? Okay, guys. Also, if you check Twitter, there's an important update released by Interlink on their official Twitter community, which says that another awesome week for Interlink. It has been a while since we launched Interlink, and it's great to see the project continuing to maintain its momentum since the beginning. Here is the recap. So for the last week alone, they were able to get around 110k new users join. Okay, Interlink in the last 7 days, another 5,000 for charity, S countries, mini game, and weekly contest. Also, if we come down a little bit, it says that this week we focus on rewarding our incredible contributors at Interlink. We are proud to announce our 20,000 USDT second revenue sharing. That's 2 compared to the first sharing. Okay, and this first sharing is mostly for the incredible contributors, such as people that are that are investing in their project and so on. Okay, once again, distributing real revenue directly to our ambassadors, the people who have stood with us and carry Interlink closer to its vision of becoming the strongest real human network in the world. To be an ambassador is to combine reward with purpose. You share Interlink's revenue, build your human credit, and so on. So, guys, that is the important information we get about Interlink project at the moment. But from the update released by them, they did not mention TGE. As you can see, this is the key highlight, but there's no any announcement towards the TGE of the airdrop. So we wait and be patient at the moment. Now, what is the latest about Swapfone airdrop? Okay, guys, if you visit Swapfone airdrop Telegram community, a lot have been going on there. But we know that we discussed about Swapfone recently, but I want to go directly to the most important aspect of the news On October 7th, an important was released, which says that many impersonators and scammers are launching meme coins on meme coin launchpad like 4.meme and pump.fun. That is, they are bearing Swapfone's name, but they are scammers. Please be careful with trading and buying anything. All those launch coins are fake. You understand? Swapfone will never require you to pay anything ever. That is, this airdrop will not ask you to pay anything. So whenever you see such an meme coin on any meme coin trading app like pop.fun, 4.meme, and so on, you have to be very careful. And another scamming alert here. It says that another group of scammers has appeared on YouTube, Telegram, and X, impersonating Swapfone, okay, and claiming to offer a way to withdraw funds from Swapfone by paying fees to them. This is for people that are desperate to cash out from their Swapfone airdrop. One thing you don't know is that there's no way you can withdraw from an airdrop that's here to list. You understand? So whenever things like this are going on, it is important to keep on checking the official website or the official handles of the airdrop so that you can see the latest information from them. Whenever the launching is going to take place, they will let you know. If it is time for withdrawal, they'll also let you know. So you have to be aware of scammers as they specify here. They are not going to ask you for anything like gas fee or any kind of fee before be able to initiate your withdrawal. You understand? So you have to be very careful. And also, it says that do not interact with any apps of both that require you to pay fees. They are scammers. Our team is working hard to have them shut down as soon as possible. Swapfone will never ask you to pay anything ever. Our only official social media accounts are X, which is this one, and this Telegram. Now, if we visit on X, it is the one that have about 97,000 users. And as you can see up there, that is their logo. So you have to be careful. And this is what I have for you at the moment. If you find this video interesting, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.